Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I will be reacting to another MV of Dreamcatcher. I am so excited because you know the first one was, I'm so addicted to Boca, but I wanna because there is some sort of storyline going on. Thanks to one of the viewers, I got the full list of in sequence like what all MVs they have. So the first MV, this is their debut song. This is called Chase Me. And this came in Jan 2017. I'm really excited to listen to this song because wow man, Dreamcatcher really impressed me. So I don't want to delay this any further. I am so intrigued with their concept. So you guys told me there's like a horror concept that they do, and it's very unique, one of the most unique concepts done by a girl group. So I am all in for uniqueness, guys. I am really excited to get into this group's discography. So yes, let's react to Chase Me by Dreamcatcher. Okay, totally intrigued. So this is on another channel, Happy Face. This is on that channel. Okay, let us watch this MV. I won't delay it any further, guys. Okay. Happy Face Entertainment. Yes, horror theme. Super bomb.
자꾸 나만 보면 안 된대. 짜릿한 걸 원할 뿐인데 동기 사람들 꿈속은 따분하잖아. 어젠 간단하게 스릴러, 오늘은 뭘 해볼까? 발칙한 장난을 시작할 거야. 어둠 몰래 다가가서
Oh yes!
꿈속에 뛰어들어 내 껍질이 막 터지듯 깜짝 놀라게 baby. 조용한 세상이 잔뜩 소란해질까? 막을 수 있니? Chase me, 한번 날 잡아봐. 아슬아슬 거리에서 벗어나는 적이 없는
Oh wow!
Chase me, 그래 날 찾아봐. 아무도 멈출 수 없어. 날 더 찾을 수 없게 다른 꿈에 울릴 수 없을 거야. 내가 나쁜 거니 도대체.
Oh my god, I'm falling in love with them already, man. Oh my god. I am 1.5 minutes into the video, my mind is blown away. My mind is already blown away, guys. Insomnia, the fandom, Insomnia. Wow. The way they sound, this rock integration is killing me, guys. This is killing me in the best possible way. Oh my goodness, how good are they sounding? This video is incredible already. I feel that they are this guy is of course seeing visions and stuff like that, and amazing. Oh wow, I cannot wait to get into that entire discography. Oh my goodness. I'm already so impressed with this group. I'm not kidding. The visuals, everything is just so beautiful.
자꾸 나만 보면 안 된대. 짜릿한 걸 원할 뿐인데 동기 사람들 꿈속은 따분하잖아. 어젠 간단하게 스릴러, 오늘은 뭘 해볼까? 발칙한 장난을 시작할 거야. 어둠 몰래 다가가서 꿈속에 뛰어들어.
He has come to hunt them, I feel.
조용한 세상이 잔뜩 소란해져.
this sounds like you know, a title track of an anime. I am telling you, exactly this chorus sounds like that. Oh.
뭐가 나쁜 거니 도대체 본능은 난 따를 뿐인데 빨간 사과를 한 입 딱 베어물고서 잠깐 나이란 게 뭔데 그래 나를 맞추려 해 그저 규칙적인 심장박동 위에 7가지 작은 노래를 선물해
I don't like creepy dolls.
시각을 모두 꺼내들어 꿈속에 가득 던져 오늘을 몰아치듯 어지럽한 말 포근한 베개가 조금 축축해질걸 막을 수 있니 막을 수 있니 Chase me 한번 날 잡아봐
Oh, that was scary. Didn't have the eyes.
Chase me 그래 날 찾아봐 아무도 멈출 수 없어 날 더 잡을 수 없게 다른 꿈에 몰래 숨어들 거야 너무나 바쁜 걸 아직까지 때가 많아 호기심 가득한 상상을 다 펼쳐볼 거야 나를 짓궂다고 해도 또 나쁘다고 해도 잘못해줬어 난 이런 게 바로 나인걸 날 비춰는 네 모습 가까워져 오는데
Sorry, this is too much awesomeness. This is too much awesomeness happening, guys. Too much awesomeness happening. They're literally challenging this guy with the lyrics also, like, you know, not easy to catch me if you can, chase me, I'm just gonna hide in another dream, I feel like doing something outrageous tonight, and all of that. And I think he has come to catch these girls. You see, he has all the photographs and stuff like that, but of course they're messing with his head. But the way this song, I think I'm gonna get my mind blown away once I, you know, deep dive completely into that discography. This song has given me even more motivation to immediately start reacting to more and more of Dreamcatcher. Absolutely, I am dying. Whoa, what is this?
이렇게 쉽게 잡힐 내가 아냐 Chase me 계속 날 쫓아봐 더 끝까지 숨이 차게 내 트리거 매일
My trick is changed every day. Where will I go tomorrow?
Chase me 그래 날 찾아봐 아무도 멈출 수 없어 날 더 잡을 수 없게 다른 꿈에 몰래 숨어들 거야
What happened? What did he see? He has found them. Oh yes, I wanna see what happens next. Yes. Woo! Just freaking amazing. Amazing. 110. Just oh man, you wait and watch. I'm totally like one by one. I have that list. I screenshot that comment where it was given in sequence what I'll have to react to one by one by one. You bet I'm gonna react to all of their MVs. Oh my god. I am sorry. They are underrated? This is a crime. They cannot be underrated. They shouldn't be underrated. I'm sorry, they're blowing my mind. I'm just shook. Shook. I am shook. $14 million views. That's it. This is a debut song. This is a debut song. This is a freaking debut song. I'm sorry, I'm getting literally hyped. 14 million is a crime. Hello. This is a crime. People should go to jail for that. Like we keep on saying now, oh, K-pop becomes monotonous at some point of time. You know, the songs start sounding the same, the videos start, you know, feeling the same, and this and that. You know, people don't experiment and all of that. All that, you know, things I listen from people who just give me justification why they don't like K-pop. Listen to this then. Listen to this. You want different? Hello. The last time I was this hyped while reacting for a girl group was when I was discovering Blackpink. But they are on another level, man. They are on another level. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, guys. I cannot even put in words how impressed I am. Fantastic. Love it. Love it. Insomnia. Be with them. I think by the time I finish their discography, I'm going to become a hardcore Insomnia myself. I can just foresee it in the future for some reason. Yes. Oh my god. Fantastic. Chase Me. Guys, I cannot believe this is a debut song. Yes, I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. So yes, that was the reaction to Dreamcatcher Chase Me. I have nothing else to add, man. I'm totally speechless, spellbound, whatever you want to call it. I'm so happy finally getting into their discography. I'm just so happy. So yes, I will end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction and have come till the end of the video. I will sign off now and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.